All right, so it's like 11 o'clock on our 6th day. We kind of slept in today. No park tickets, but we did come back to Magic Kingdom. We're just gonna take a ride on the monorail.
Dad, you said
What the heck?
tomorrow
Why not?
was our last.
Well, today's our last full day. Tomorrow we go home, but today's like our last full day. So we're just gonna ride the monorail, go back and
But
swim.
we were gonna stay 8 days.
I don't know. 7.
No, 8.
7.
8.
Okay, so after a little bit of further investigating, technically we are here 8 days. Tuesday to Tuesday is 8 days. Peyton, you win.
For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you.
Hi, Space Mountain. Wish we could have rode on you. What a bummer. Grand Floridian. This does look pretty fancy.
We are approaching our station.
Okay, so we're back at the resort. I don't know if that was worth it. Was that worth it even? I mean, that was like 2 hours or so.
Long for the bus both times.
Taking buses everywhere just really eats up
We're
your time.
spoiled by
So.
the Skyliner.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go pack a picnic and eat by the pool. How about that? That sounds like a good idea. Does that sound good, Cam? Wherever you are back there, I don't know. Where are you? There you are. Let's do that.
I'm gonna touch the trees
We did make some
more.
new friends.
Okay, you can touch the tree some more.
She had not stuck her other.
She said she was going to stick one foot in. So, picnic at the pool. Eating up our food. That way, we don't have to throw it away. Can't take it on the can't take it on the plane. Go. I'm waiting. So we're gonna migrate pools. We have 3 pools at this resort. And stop that. And we have not checked out Radiator Springs, which is from Disney Cars. So we're gonna go use their pool for a little bit and check out this area of the resort. There's Doc. What? Don't do that again. Got the Cozy Cone Motel and Ramon. There's Casa de la Tierra. There's Mater's area. Route 66. That's pretty cool. The Real Well Motel. You got all the Cozy Cone cabanas. This is cool. Wow, neato. Oh, we found a Cozy Cone cabana. Yes. Did you guys find a cabana?
Yeah.
How cool is this? Pretty cool. Go. Somebody's learning how to do handstands. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Nice one. So we had to come back from swimming because it is lightning and here is the storm. So now we're just packing. Run, run, run. So it's like 5:30 on our next to last day here. We're gonna go get some dinner down at the resort cafeteria place. Tomorrow's our last day. We didn't feel like eating peanut butter and jelly tonight.
8 days at Disney.
Yeah. 8 days. There's the Uno champion right there. It rained for like an hour and a half. Mr. Uno champion. You won a couple times. How many times did I win?
0. Big old fat 0.
Who doesn't love a good puddle? Right?
Wore flip-flops and can have wet feet now for dinner. It is warm. Ew.
Last night here, got some chicken fingers, chicken fingers, chicken fingers, chicken fingers. Yum. 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 Let's complain about some orange juice, apple juice. Let's see a nice cannonball. What's up? Yeah, I can hold it. Show me a cannonball. It's like a 7:15. They want to spend their last bit of pool time at the big pool here. Our bus will be here tomorrow at 8 to pick us up. And then we'll be heading home. Back to Ohio. I don't know why Peyton wants to wear a life jacket, but she just took a step underneath and gave her the biggest wedgie. Silly girl. That's it. Our last walk down this corridor, alleyway, whatever you want to call it. It was a fun time. Mom, you did a great job planning this vacation. A lot of fun, huh, kids? Thank you, Mom. Now it's time to beat feet, catch the flight, and get back to Max.
Yeah. Get home.
Through security and on our way to gate 42. Coming back to you, Ohio. There comes our plane. Slowly but surely, coming on in.
Mom, look, I already have.
Well, that's it, buddy. We're on the plane, ready to go home. It was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Pretty fun.